We're now less than a month away from the 2019-2020 school year, but when students return in Bay District, the schools will still be under construction. News 13's Kayla Tucker gives us an update on the work being done within the district.
August 12th is coming quick, but construction on damaged schools is not.
It's a miracle that we survived the storm first, so that's the miracle we've been blessed with. But the expectation of having everything fixed right now is just not going to happen.
Superintendent Bill Husfeldt says work in the district is underway.
We've got 13 projects being worked on right now. Most of those are roofs.
3 of those projects include complete renovations of Merritt Brown Middle School, Bay High, and Rutherford High. Husfeldt expects the first wave of roofs will be done by the end of the summer.
All of them have some kind of temporary roofs is what we're trying to put on there. They'll last up to 3 years before we get the permanent roofing done.
He says the issues they're seeing are the same across the Panhandle.
In addition to funding are the amount of workers and contractors in town.
Funding for the district is coming from insurance, FEMA, sales taxes, and general funds. Husfeldt says he hopes all will be patient and understanding during the rebuilding process.
We're going to have a total new normal for what we live in the area we live around. And so we just need to be cognizant of that and realize that it's going to take some time. It is not going to happen quickly.
Kayla Tucker, News 13, Panhandle Strong.